fish is malaki ang ayan tong fish pan guys, malabo ang tubig hindi maklaro ang isda. Ayan ayan mayroon itong lumilitaw ayan mayroong gumigimaw na isda, ang daming isda pero malabo ang tubig. The water is cloudy. Sa Skegness, maraming mapasyalan dito sa Skegness mayroong Sea World, mayroong mga ibon, lahat ng klase. It's flying. Ayan guys, ayan cute ng mga ibon nagkaan, busy sa kain nagmukbang po diyan kaan mga ibon it's flying. Hindi silang pagkain prutas. Nagtago ito sa look at that. Cute nila nagtago ito tubig naligo pa na sila naligo. Ayan cute. Nagpabugnaw. Ayan nagpalamig ang mga ibon ayan guys naglipad-lipad ayan ala kanindot sa butterfly. Ayan guys ganda nalipad na. Fly a butterfly. Ala mayroong mga isda din dito guys. Ayan guys ayan ganda ang ganda ng paligid pa butterfly. Ang ganda ng kulay ng butterfly butterfly din do not touch. Hala kanain dot. Ayan kumakain yan sila ng matamis pala ayan ang kinakain nila mga juice. Ayan nagkain siya he's eating sweets. Ayan cute. Yeah, look that one there, look, is flying. Look at this, look.
There's one there, look, on the leaf, a black and white one.
Yeah. Yeah.
On the orange.
Little one, the big one. What are they doing? I thought he's going on the food. Come on, eat the food now. I want him to go here. Glug. Bye bye. The blue one there is chasing each other. Over the back. They are cute. We have like this in Philippines. We have to use the leaves to clean our dirty pots. Ay naam na kanding diri guys. Kanding diri sos. Gihimo man daing display diri sa museum kanding sa amoa. Kanding diri na diri ay guys. Just a video no. Namunga ng kanding na araman dai dire kanding dai Dallas England ang kanding makeup aray namunga ng kanding oh my gosh. It's so fast.
I hope the butterflies eat you.
How do they eat you?
Eat you. It will not biting. It's a friendly butterfly.
You look like a brownie.
Yeah. What is it? A plum?
Brownie.
It look like plum. It look different. Like butterfly po niya tanong ba? Like a butterfly. Mura mag-butterfly po. It's like a butterfly plant. It's different plant. It's a plant. This is a flower.
那花纹，我有啲蝴蝶花。
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a cute, beautiful color.
Oh, look at this.
Ay, daghang butterfly dire guys. Ay, malisang kas butterfly are. Trap das bag. Ang ganda din, may bag scan pala. Ang ganda, o gibitay. Dikit. Malisang ka dire. Nagagas ng tubig. Ayan guys, ang ganda.